I will finally review this device. It's the CGDI K2 device. It's sealed. I have not opened until now. So let's begin. I'm also very interested of the device, but from what I know, it will be a disappointment. So we have the device, a card, and the cable. Sorry. Nothing more. The box seems to be pushed a little bit too much, so no USB cable, no nothing. The device have this PS2 connector and the USB Type-C. I don't know for this purpose what it is, but let's power up the device. Okay, we have a disclaimer. We will need to agree. The device is not activate. Do you want to activate now? Continue. I will need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now let's activate the device. Activation successful. We have an update. I will do the update now. At least to review the last update available. Open. Same disclaimer. The device is not activated again, but already activated. Continue. Activation successful. Update the firmware. Okay. Update now. I see we can have also the remote database update. Firmware update completed. Now this is the main menu. Let's see what we can do. We have remote generation, but I did not download the test database. I don't know what type of remote can be used. Okay, I need to... I need to log in into my account. Okay, I managed to log into my account, so I have also this device binded remote control database. I will skip for the moment. What the fuck? I already been logged. Software seems to be very buggy. Let's see. We have a frequency detection, read transporter, and the MCU programmer. I will update later. Remote generation I will skip. Frequency detection. Okay, I have a Volkswagen key. It's detecting automatically the frequency, but it's not automatically. For example, if I selected the last one and I know the remote it's 434, it will not switch the band. So you always need to switch the band manually. Okay, I will not update the remote database. We have read transporter option. Let's see. Chip identification. Okay, this is an ID 48, unlocked, copy or not, functional development. Okay, this is a bullshit. This device out of the box doesn't even say you can clone the ID 48, not even to clone it. Okay, that's it on the read transporter. And we have MCU programmer. Seems here on MCU we have a different type of PCF chips. Okay, I selected 7941. I check the wiring diagram. And where the fuck is the cable? Sorry. This cable, it's not included in the box. Let me check again. No. No cable in the box, but you need to connect according to this. Anyway, I bet it's not working this function. This function, I think it's only there to be there. I'm not even bothered to get a cable from another device and try to make it working, because I'm not sure if the device it's really good at something. Okay, right now I will need to think how I get to the home screen. Okay, it's power off. It doesn't go to the home screen. But right now, my point of view, you buy a nice Android device, but that's it. Right now, this device doesn't have any capability. Compared to X-Horse or with KD, if we compare this device with these two, this is a bullshit. It's a comic joke. My point of view, this device was released too soon, too early for the current market. You have 4 options in the menu. Let's say the remote generation, the remotes are not on the market, so we can kill it. the frequency detection, okay. That's all the device have. The reading the transporter, okay, I can say it's okay, but we don't have the clone. Out of the box, it's missing the function, the basic function tell us this device will do. So it will clone ID48, 96 bits. What I will do, I will put a different type of transponder, an ID33, an old transponder. Okay. Identification failure. Let's see. It has been readed. Let's see. It has been readed. It's not even able to read the ID 33. So ID 33, it's failing to be readed. Let's read even more basic, an ID 12. As you can see, ID 12, ID 12. Identification failure. So it's not reading, not even an ID 12. Let's see. I have an MQB transporter, an MQB, an MQB, both devices read it. Let's see this one. Okay. MQB 48 chip, it's not supported. I have an AT glass. Okay, AT, it's working. PCF 7939. Let's see. No. No, it's not reading, more or less. It's the Hitag Pro. Okay. I will not try to read other transponders. My view, if you want to buy this device, don't do it. There is no reason to pay 150 euro or 200 because it's not doing anything. Now seems to be on early stage of development. Was announced and released too soon. Yeah. Bye bye.